Good evening, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine. Yes. So now let us begin with the question 2 of practice set 48. Yes. So first let us read the question. Yeah. In right angled triangle PQR. Yes, means we have to construct a triangle. Diagram is not given. Yes. And that triangle's name will be PQR. Angle P is equals to 90 degree. So, right angle will be named P. If length PQ is equals to 24 centimeter and length PR is equals to 10 centimeter, find the length of seg QR. Okay. So now first we are going to construct the diagram. Okay. So what is given, that we'll write first. See, in triangle PQR, isn't it? So in triangle PQR, angle P is equals to what? 90 degree, is it? So based on this we'll construct a rough figure. You have to use pencil. Okay. So here I have drawn one seg. Now other seg. Yeah. Is it a right angle here? So I'll mark it. Now I'll join these two tips. So is our triangle ready? And is it a right angle triangle? Yes. So now we'll name it. So angle P. Sorry. Here I forgot to write P. Yeah? I have wrote now. So P is 90 degree. Is it? So this will be P. Then we'll give this Q and this will give R. Yes. Now what we have to find? See, did they give PQ's measurement 24? So we'll write here PQ is how much? 24 cm. PR is 10 cm and we have to find QR. Yes. So length QR is equals to question mark. Yeah. Now by Pythagoras theorem, what we can do? Yes, by Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Length QR square, yes, is equals to length PQ's square plus length PR's square. Okay. So both the side square is equals to sum of both the side square is equals to hypotenuse. Now we'll substitute the value. We don't know QR, no, so we'll write it as it is. Length QR's square is equals to, what is PQ's value? Yes, it is 24 square plus PR's is 10, so 10 square. Okay. Now in rough work I am showing you here, but you will do it in rough book. Okay. 24 into 24, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 6 7 1, 5 76 plus 10 square is 100. Is it? Do addition. It will give us 676, means length QR's square is how much? This. Yes. Now this square will take other side, then what will remain here? Only length QR is equal to root of 676. Yes. So now we all know 25 square, isn't it? What is 25 square? 25 square is 625. Yeah. Now we'll take the number close to 25, that is 26, and if we'll multiply and see, then our answer is coming 676. Is it? Means 676 is the square of 26. Yeah. Or root of 676 is 26. Did you get the answer for length QR? Also, I have taught you how to find the root of the given numbers. Yes. So you can use that method and find the answer. So length QR is equals to 26 centimeter. Did you get the answer and understood how to solve the sum? Now let us begin with sum number 3. In right angled triangle LMN, angle M is equals to 90 degree. If length LM is equals to 12 centimeter and length LN is equals to 20 centimeter, find the length of seg MN. So just keep in mind, first thing what we are going to do, we are going to construct the triangle. Okay, so it should be right angled triangle. So using a scale in the book, we are going to construct the triangle first. Yes, so now how to construct? Yes, first we will draw two segs which will form 90 degree in this way. Okay, now we are going to join those two segs, and this is triangle LMN. Yes, in our question, which is the 90 degree angle? M. Yes, so here you will show 90 degree and name it M. Okay, LMN. LM is 12 centimeter. LM 12 centimeter. LN means hypotenuse is 20 centimeter. We have to find MN. Okay, now first we will write what they have given us. Yes, that is in triangle LMN, angle M is equals to 90 degree. What we have to find out? Length MN is equals to question mark. Yeah, now we have learned Pythagoras theorem, is it? So we'll write here, by Pythagoras theorem, length, this is our hypotenuse, so ln square of this is equals to sum of other two sides square. So what are other two sides? Yes, length mn. Okay, length mn square, this is base na, now this is height, so height square is length lm square. Now we'll substitute the values. Okay, so what is the value of ln? Yes, you can see here ln is 20, so 20 square is equals to mn is, we don't know, so write as it is, length mn square plus ln is how much? 12, so 12 square. 20 square will be 400 is equals to length mn square plus 12 square is 144. Okay, now as we have to find the value of mn, that is this one, positive 144 will take to other side, that is 400. Now positive if we take other side, will it be negative? So minus 144 is equals to what remains others to our RHS? Length mn bracket square. Yeah, now do the subtraction. 400 minus 144, 3, 9, 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. So what is remaining? 256 is equals to length mn's square. Okay, now this square, I will take this side, will it become root of 256? So root of 256 is equals to length mn. Okay, now 256 is root of what? Yes, very good, you have to learn the roots, square roots. Yes, so 16 into 16 will give us 256. So it will be 16. Yeah, is equals to length mn. Yeah, therefore we can write length mn is equals to 16 centimeters. Did you get the answer? Did you understand how to solve? Yes, so you can take the screenshots and complete. Now we'll begin with question number 4. The top of a ladder of length 15 meter reaches a window of 9 meter above the ground. Yes, means here two things are given, that is window and a ladder. From this statement, we understand the measure or the length of a ladder. Means what is the length of a ladder? Yes, it is 15 meter. Reaches a window 9 meter above the ground. Means from the ground to window, how much is the distance? 9 meter. Okay. What is the distance between the base of the wall and that of the ladder? So let's solve the problem. So see what they have given us. They have told that a ladder of length 15 meter reaches a window 9 meter above the ground. Yes. So I have drawn a diagram for you all. See here I have this part is the ground. Okay. So from ground at 9 meters height, yes, that is above the ground at 9 meters, we are having a window. So will this distance be 9 meter? Yes. Now they are telling a ladder of length 15 meter. Means this is a ladder, so this length will be 15 meter, which is reaching a window that is 9 meter above the ground. So did you understand the diagram? Of course here we will have a right angle. Now they are asking us to find out what is the distance between the length between the base of the wall and that of the ladder. Means base of the wall till the ladder, means this distance we have to find out. Are we able to find out? Yes, we are able to find by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so first we will name this figure. Okay, so we'll name this as A, B and C. Okay, now let AC be the ladder. Just check according to the diagram. Is AC the ladder? So we wrote here, let AC be the ladder. What is AB? Yes, AB is wall. Okay. Now what is BC? Correct. BC is ground. Did you understand what we have written here? Three things: AC ladder, AB wall and BC ground. Now angle between the wall and the ground is what? 90 degree every time. Yeah. So we will write here angle between wall and ground is 90 degree. Yes. Now this distance we don't know, is it? So we'll consider it as x meter. Okay children. So we'll write here, let the distance between the base of the wall, this the base of the wall and base of the ladder be x meter. Did you understand children? Now can we use Pythagoras theorem because it is a right angled triangle? Yes. Therefore we will write by Pythagoras theorem. What will be our theorem? Yes, hypotenuse square means whose square? Length AC square is equal to base square plus height square. So what is our base? Length BC square plus length AB square. Now we'll substitute the value. What is AC? 15, correct? So 15's square. BC we have considered it as x, so x square plus AB is 9, so 9 square. Okay, 15 square is 225 is equals to x square plus 9 square will give us 81. Now x value we have to find out. Yes, so 81 plus 81 will take other side, means what it will be? Correct. Therefore 225 minus 81 is equals to x square. Did you understand, children? Now what will be the subtractions answer? It will be 144. You can do the subtraction in rough and get the answer. Okay, 144 is equals to x square. Now I'll show you here. You will solve below, but I am showing here. X square it is, no? I will take square other side, means it will become root 144. It will become root. So what is the number? 144. So it will be root 144 is equals to x. What is root of 144? Correct. It is 12 is equals to x. Therefore x is equals to 12 meter. Understood how to solve the sum? Now we'll write the last statement. What they are asking us, the distance between the base of the wall and the ladder. Yes, so we'll write it in short. That is, required distance is how much? 12 meter. Did you get the answer? And did you understand how to solve? So as I am solving, that time only take the screenshots and complete the sum. Okay.